Hello and welcome back to Alina's Kitchen, where today we're going to be making a strawberry jalapeno margarita. I am a huge fan of margaritas, and what I love about this one is it's a bit spicy. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is take 1 cup of water and just put it in my saucepan on medium-high heat and let it come to a boil before I add in the rest of my ingredients. And today I'm just doing a 1-to-1 ratio, so I have 1 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar. Now that my sugar has dissolved and my liquid is completely clear, I can add in my jalapenos. So today I just have 2 jalapenos, and if you like it spicy, I recommend leaving in the seeds and membranes, but if you want it a little less spicy, take those out. So I'm just gonna add this in. Now I just wanna bring this mixture to a boil and then turn it down so it's just simmering for about 10 minutes so the simple syrup really infuses with the flavor of the jalapenos. Now I've taken my simple syrup off the heat and set it aside to cool for about 30 to 45 minutes, and I'm going to start working on my strawberries. So today I have 2 cups of strawberries, which I just sliced off the ends and cut in half. And you can use a blender, but today I'm just using my handheld blender. I have to say I absolutely love handheld mixers too. They're so nice because it's a lot less cleanup than using a blender, which I love. Now I'm just going to take my strawberry puree and strain it to remove all the seeds and everything you don't want in this mixture. Now that my simple syrup has had some time to cool, I'm just going to strain it to remove all the seeds and jalapenos. But I first want to mention that one thing I always do when I'm working with jalapenos. The one thing I want to mention is whenever I work with jalapenos, I do recommend wearing gloves, just because the oil that comes out is a little spicy too, and it always burns my fingers a bit, so that's just my little warning. So let's strain it without making a mess. Here we have our simple syrup, and the one thing I love is it's changed the color from just being water to have a little green tint from the jalapenos, which I think is kind of cool. And another thing I want to mention is my glass. I love giving a good salt rim to my glass. So what I just do is take a little lime and run it around the edges so it'll just easily pick up the salt. Alright, there we go. Now let's start creating our margarita. So the first thing I've done is just filled up my shaker about halfway with ice, and to that I'm going to be adding in my lime juice, and today I have the juice of 2 limes. And you can't have a margarita without the tequila, right? So today we're having a lot of tequila, but this is actually for 2 people because both my mom and I are going to be drinking this. So we are using 4 ounces of tequila. Or if you just want to have a really boozy night, this can all be for you. Alright. And next I'm going to be adding in my strawberry mixture, and I'm going to be adding in 4 ounces of this as well. Now I'll be adding in my simple syrup, and I'm going to start slow with the simple syrup because I really don't know how spicy it is because I put a lot of jalapenos in mine. So I'm just going to start off with about 1 ounce of simple syrup and then test it and see if I want some more spice. And there's my top. I was looking for that. Now I'm just going to mix it all together and give it a good shake. It smells so good. You can smell the spiciness of the jalapeno. Also, if you are wanting this to have a little bubbly effect, you can also add in some sparkling water or club soda at the end. That one's up to you. I'm just going to garnish mine today with a strawberry as well as some lime. Ooh, I'm excited to try it. This looks so pretty and good. Ooh, and I love the color too. So good. You got that little kick of spice in there with that nice salty rim, which I really love. Who doesn't love salt? And the sweetness of the strawberries. This is a delicious drink. I don't know if I will be sharing this with my mom. I've changed my mind. It's so good. So please let me know if you try this recipe and what you think in the comments down below. Also, if you guys love cocktails as much as I do, there should be a playlist right here or over here of all my drink recipes, which are pretty tasty, and I try to make everything homemade and with healthy ingredients, as healthy as you can make a cocktail. So you guys should definitely check it out. And I will see you next time because I'm gonna go drink this now. So, see you guys.